Oh, God. Careful, guys. It's Mom's feet. God,
It
stop.
was enchanting.
Kinda sounds like the nice way to say curse, but maybe there really is something wrong. So Brian decides to pitch it to CBS. Yeah, we love this movie. Practice to really give it
Hey, all right. Don't try and get on her, weirdo.
the show to be done. You should start. And that has a different
All right. Now that looked like a fight.
You guys be nice to each other, okay? Be nice.
because when you think about a soft
Look, they're both like, oh my God, I'm tired. And I'm hot. I'm thirsty. Oh, I need to get Oreo more wine. Do we have a lot of those?
She didn't give me any bowls or anything. Yeah, she is not looking good. She's lost so much weight, Journey. She literally looks like skin down.
who is also playing his daughter. I mean, what do
She
you think
pulled
of
up her
the
shirt and showed me her scar and
So
you
the
know,
show, now renamed Class Holes, has its
her
first
face.
Oh my God.
She has a smell.
Oh, no.
You can always tell a show's funny.
Hey,
You have to tell
hey, I told him not to try and get on you. Why are you trying to get on him?
That's gross.
references to use the support.
They're trying to say hi to each other. That's how they say hi. They sniff each other's butt.
Oh my God, they're turning it into an arena.
Careful of Mom's feet.
Oh my God. Chill.
Ow, careful, Mom's feet.
I might go down and do some laundry.
One sec, I'm just getting
She
left
scooted back. She scooted back. Oreo, stop.
They're just playing.
He's trying to get on her and slip her bed.
birthday to get her a little present from the
No,
And he just keeps agonizing her. Just shut up.